will talk about how can you fix this problem on your Photoshop. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. So when you click on settings, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down here, so you keep going down, then you click here on apps, come to apps list here, and here you're looking for Photoshop, or just click on search, then here add Photoshop. It's going to show for you like this, click on it, then it's going to take you to this list here, click here on for stop, then you click on OK. So then you go down, just click here on storage, come to storage list here, you just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, click on it here. So then you search here for Photoshop, it's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.